5 Fascinating Historical Facts. ABO Manoranjan Fort, nestled in the Western Ghats near Lonavala, Maharashtra, stands as a testament to India's rich historical and cultural heritage. Exploring its grounds unveils a tapestry of fascinating historical facts, offering a glimpse into the region's past and significance. 1. Strategic location and ancient architecture. Manoranjan Fort's strategic location in the Western Ghats highlights its historical importance. Positioned strategically, the fort served as a key stronghold, showcasing ancient architectural prowess that echoes the craftsmanship of its builders. The fort's design and layout provide valuable insights into the military strategies of the bygone era. 2. Breathtaking views and scenic surroundings. Perched amidst the scenic Western Ghats, Manoranjan Fort offers panoramic views that are nothing short of breathtaking. Visitors are treated to a visual feast of lush greenery, rolling hills, and expansive landscapes. The fort's location not only served strategic purposes but also afforded its occupants a stunning vantage point to survey the surrounding regions. 3. Historical significance in defense and trade routes. Manoranjan Fort played a pivotal role in the defense mechanisms of the region. Its strategic location made it a key player in safeguarding against invasions and ensuring control over vital trade routes. The fort's historical significance lies not only in its architectural grandeur but also in its contribution to the economic and cultural exchanges of the time. 4. Cultural heritage and architectural marvel. As a cultural heritage site, Manoranjan Fort stands as a living testament to the cultural diversity and historical richness of Maharashtra. The intricate details of the fort's architecture reflect the artistic flair of its builders, providing a tangible link to the past. Exploring the fort is akin to stepping back in time, immersing oneself in the stories of the people who once inhabited its walls. 5. Visitor experience and heritage preservation. Today, Manoranjan Fort welcomes visitors from far and wide, offering them not just a glimpse into history but also a chance to experience the serenity of its surroundings. Efforts in heritage preservation ensure that the fort remains an educational and recreational destination, allowing future generations to appreciate and learn from its historical significance. Manoranjan Fort in India is more than just a physical structure, it's a living chronicle of the region's history. Its strategic location, architectural brilliance, cultural significance, and the efforts invested in its preservation collectively make it a fascinating destination for history enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. As we explore its walls and soak in the breathtaking views, we connect with a bygone era, appreciating the stories etched in stone and the lessons they hold for the present and future. Manoranjan in India. Kindly subscribe to my channel and like videos. Click the bell icon for more updates.